So I was having trouble with my Arrowhead 1019A siphon frost freeze proof sillcock leaking, dripping out the actual faucet. So I want to replace the washer, but turns out you can't just change just the washer. So I couldn't find anything on the internet on how to change it. So I ended up buying the whole new stem, which was about 22 bucks plus shipping. And turns out you can change just this tip here, but I couldn't find anywhere on the internet on how to do that. So when I got the stem and replaced it, I decided I would make a video of how to do it. And it turns out all you got to do is take a set of pliers and this whole assembly, pulls out of there. Like that. And you can buy just that little bell gasket and that whole tip, and then when you get the new one, which is a lot cheaper, you just push it back in there. Like that. All there is to it.